Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwodin talk about the people who resign from Godwin Obaseki government before the election. He also talk about Nwamagbe and Samson Osaigi post when he post today for his Facebook. So make I leave you, make you hear from Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwodin. Enjoy the video.
A great good evening to ever conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwodin. I want to officially say thank you very much to everyone and a big congratulations to all Togberians worldwide. It's me, your brother, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwodin, and today we are going to engage in some fact-finding discussion. In fact, today we decided to adopt Pidgin English language in our communication. Many people don't really know the group of people where they fight Governor Godwin Obaseki. And many people don't even know the kind of person where Governor Godwin Obaseki be. Today, I will open now to now. First, Governor Godwin Obaseki, when we go find out his history, why they go Egosa Grammar School then, somebody will know him. Talk to me, give me information about her. Me self-shock. As a renowned economist, they say when they grow, they come. He not the beg person something, say, I beg, give me. No. Say make God number say come beg you when it is school and say give me first. No. Right from the one, now best way they look for solution for every problem. They said that time when the soap go finish for school, it's soap. For you to beg the next man where they near and say, I beg me with your soap first, man, take bath. Governor Obaseki no man go to use omo bath. That for you to meet person say, I beg give me soap. Or your mono me, okay, yeah, when to make provision for his soap. He not the black person something, and person thing not the die for him. All the lifetime to date, now problem solving, now they do. To be sincere with you, Edo people will never ever regret for electing Governor Godwin Obaseki. When he visit the president today, we will not hear the statement. Everybody, go to the president from down to up. Everybody love Obaseki. Not because he's tall, handsome, beautiful, ugly as the case may be, but because they had you see so. They marry something to fool her. I don't tell you before. A night to election, may go meet and say, Governor, that all these people want boss money. You need to bring money, come and more to follow the money to money. Now tell them say, I will not share a single dime. If you want the progress of Edo, go and vote. Go and vote. If they win the election and lost, I will go back to my business. Nobody can hold me with anything because I did not eat a single money from Edo State. The facts are there. All men shock. So then, normal usual politician will. Oh no, lose election now. Oh no, lose election now. And really, since the history of Edo State and Nigeria, this is the only first time where people vote their conscience. Sorry, they do them last time, but it's different from this one. The one they do last time, with the share money, come vote for our own, come vote for our own. And those people collected our money and voted against President Muhammadu Buhari in Edo State. Since the history of Edo, we have not been able to deliver Edo State to APC at the federal level, apart from governorship elections. PDP has been winning. Now, Edo people in that election day, really, whether the governor know them I don't understand. Edo people collected money from APC, 5,000 naira, and voted their conscience for Obaseki. The vote shows say never again, never again should we go back to Egypt, all because of 5,000. The money misroad billionaire went to the governor's polling unit to be sharing 50,000 naira per vote. Already people collect the money, they voted against them, and the governor did not only deliver his own unit, the money misroad lost his own unit. The money misroad lost his own unit. All of us learn new thing in these elections. Now election don't pass, I want to open one secret to una again. Before this election, one person for the Tiger and Lion go meet the governor. I don't want to mention his name, but for the Tiger and Lion, they go meet the governor. He say, Your Excellency, I don't change my mind. I want to support you. Now the governor tell am say, I know you were not part of them for a long period of time, but wait, I want to do my election first, so that tomorrow you know go come and say, now you give me, now you deliver me. You know talk that word. I know talking him. The person self get will tell for this. He went secretly to the governor. Now governor tell am say, no, don't worry, I have nothing against you, but I will not want you to support me. I don't want you to come tomorrow to say, Mamu Ejo. Igwe Boston say you know the person. If you know the person, right, I know say some of you now know, but I don't want to mention his name. Governor tell him wholeheartedly. He say, no, I no hate you, I not dey against you, but wait, I no want me anybody lay claim say, now me put you. The person wey put me for government for second term, na do people. Now the guys shamelessly move, go stay one corner. Governor tell am face to face. When they fired the governor from the beginning, including me, now the governor tell some of the people they lead the war say, come. The only reason why they leave you now be say, I don't want to give you benefit of that. You cannot return back those old crook when me want retire, you want forcefully bring them. I won't accept it. But we know say they say election a game of number, but under Obaseki regime, he selected the best game of number. He no allow miscreant and riffraff to give him that support, and the people came out overwhelmingly to support him. Governor tell her face to face say, come, I no want make you come out tomorrow come talk say na you deliver me. No, keep your support first. If I don't win, you can come. If I don't lose, any which way, but let Edo people decide. I do not need your support. Whereas an average politician go say, hey, come support me, come support me. That was why this election was between the youths and the progressive elders against this selected disgruntled political elements who are bent on taking an advantage of our state's democratic infrastructure to perpetuate evil. And I'm Oshomole add the red now as we speak. It is pain now. Because he knows say he go put himself for fight will not concern now. Because he wants to secure the stomach infrastructure of some selected few. How many people be Agberu compared to the number of Edo people who are supporting a progressive government? Now let me tell you today, no godfatherism in Edo politics. Obaseki is going to work for the people. Now, let me tell you the set of people that have been fighting the governor and that is still fighting the governor, because the fight never ends. If anybody tell you say it is the end of the fight, all those of you they see so now for the camera, we know say fight never end. But by the power of our ubiquitous God Almighty, we will support God in order to Obaseki to the last. If the Senate could check out on the basis of stomach infrastructure, we're not supposed to support Obaseki. Instead of say sharing money, we're not supposed, because we not borrow the share money, but this time it don't pass money time. Let's do the right thing at the right time. It's not only about money. We need to do the right thing at the right time. Now, see the set of people who fight the governor. One, those people who felt the benefit for the old order, e.g., Osakwunokwodi, me, and many more. The difference between myself and them is that I have repented from the system. But it is the truth. No, not only person where no one's repent, where no one change his ways. Now you go see something, because the thing concern him, he go back burn. I am not ready to burn it. I should be able to take responsibility for my own actions. Now look at the set of people. One, CDA. CDA. People who very benefit the CDA activities. Now that they fight the governor, so because the governor came and resanitized the use to which land is being put. As of today, you cannot buy land and you come measure sand, mix sand with cement. The cement will cause the cement will cause spoil. You can't do that. It can't happen. The cement go come rust for side. No. As of today, when anybody will say CDA activity, whether not they will say you come, as you reach there, na negotiation you take to say, give us our money, our dues. The guy will say, okay, I will give you. Then the guy will say, okay, I will give you. But if you are going to come and say, you got me. The person will say, I won't give you. If you say, I will do it, you let it smell spoil. Now you versus the commissioner of police and the mechanism we're going to put on ground to check your activities. That one are the set of people who the fighter. Many have refused to repent from this scourge. The second set of people who the fighter na Agberu. Those will be say in a day they can receive 6 million naira per day in the old order. Now when the governor come, he said no, I will never allow all this to take place. Even in the debate, he still talking. He said there is no way I will allow Agberu to take over the state economy. This same statement did not go down well with these people. They vex. Say governor, no, already Mwekiri Ayimabo, Tahari Yein. Ask them, what will be the problem where the governor gets with them? Nothing to show. Apart from say, all those illegal words, when they defeated the stand, they carry gun, go inside commissioner of police office in the past. The governor caught him. Now be the war. Please share this video. Share this video. Evil strive when good people decide to allow evil people to take charge of every situation. This time, whether election start or whether I don't finish, we must preach the gospel. This is the time for us to right the wrong in our society. This is the time to speak the truth at all time. Now this set of people, they fight the governor till tomorrow. Then the third set, now those wey be say na here somebody fall put somebody dey this category, they don rule, they don comot, they know the wealth wey dey there. Instead of them to allow the wealth to be distributed to the people, they want to continue to control who dey that place, make dem get their economic conduit pipe wey dem want to draw money from the public treasury. This action of these elected people can be codenamed political antara, can be codenamed political antara. This set of people are angry with the governor. Now this set of people, now that they tie 1 kilometer of road at a cost of 1 billion. Airport road 8 kilometer is 8 billion. It is the most expensive construction work so far in the history of sub-Sahara Africa. Go and confirm. All these things happened under Oshomole. And they wanted a continuation of such. The governor put an end to it and say no go gree. Now be the yawa with the grandson. Now, Oshomole was able to hoodwink us with road network construction, which is a very beautiful thing. But the question is, what is the cost implication of such roads? And what is the actions of the Obaseki administration today? In the past, me and one Agberu guy, I never told you this story before for a live video. We exchanged blow for Apapava. That time they do town service. I only finish youth service. I get work for bank. Salary 40,000 naira a month. Only me I have done a year. Now I say no. I want to go on. Now I resign. I begin drive transport for road. With my red Audi way they laugh me that time. See, no man I want ugly red Audi way they drive. Now they do the ring road, you know that kind of level. As I drive the corner, the guy park me say, hey, park where you go, man, you go, man. Because me resemble Igbo man in a way that I got to say me now for Igbo land. Say so you go feel you oppress me for Bini. The next thing when they hear, he say make it tap me. Now I say my brother, who's your over here doing? Before they hear, I don't wear better wearing. The street where you dey now we dey. So I not come here and come preach to anybody say me I be gentleman. I lie you. I not be. I not be gentleman at all. 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 I be original man, Africa. I not be gentleman at all. Now, in my own town, not do gra for me. I not gree for him. At the end of the day, I not give the guy that agree. These people can stand you on the way, they'll blow you for her. They'll collect money every day. When Governor Obaseki come, he bring traffic police. We know the traffic police will be under Oshomole. All of a sudden they run entire person overnight. They don't run entire you. They cause many accidents when they follow driver, the drag steering. But when Obaseki come, when they establish the traffic police, you need to see the logistics of what we put, see the cars, see everything we put on ground for them. As of today, if you violate traffic rule, those people know they owe you. It be like America, they go snap your number. The process be say, animal wey run from bush, from trap, na bush is still there. So if you think say you no park where you run comot, Obaseki police go catch you again. They don already pick your number, pick everything. As at now, no be gra level. Everything is done in a well organized manner and in line with academic principles. This set of people no like am. They want a situation where you go carry motor come out. For you to be able to drive for road, the offender right for front of the motor front say, no touch this motor. Now Sakonokwo the sister. They want that vehicle. Before the vehicle fit move for road, they must write and say, no touch this vehicle. Now Sakonokwo the sister, now get her. That That is the order of the day in the past. As of today, Obaseki refused to agree. That is the war we are facing today in Edo. But I'm glad that there is no way they can win this battle. There is no way they can win this battle. No matter what they do, they can't win. Vox populi, voice the he. The voice of the people is the voice of God. The voice of the people is the voice of God. The idea of say, before my vehicle move for road, don't touch this vehicle. Now Sakunokwo, the sister, is no longer in existence. It is no longer in existence. And people will refuse to agree to this current reform is fighting tooth and nail to ensure say they fight to the end. But the truth is, you know, say Norera said to her, we told them in the past that we are going to retire them politically, and we are going to send them to a political sabbatical leave. In fact, we are going to send them into a compulsory political retirement without gratuity. Not be noise. We said it in the past. I even said something. I say, our brother, our friend, Samson Osaigi will lose his unit in these elections. If people come they attack me for media, say, who are you? You ant talking to a lion and talking to elephant. I say, no problem. Carry your brain back to the Bible. David, who killed Goliath, was an ant. But as of today, it is on record that the ant brought down the great Goliath. I said Samson Osaigi will lose his unit. When I do election, tell him I show you unit result or lose a. I told you all, say Umagba North Ward 5 will be delivered for Governor Godwin Obaseki. Go and check in my community. For those who follow us when we share caps. The polling booth in my community, where I for come, where I go share caps when I watch that day, we get 300 as against 27. 300 as against 27. Samson Osaigi's mother is from Urokosa. My mother is from Urokosa. Umagba North Ward 5. I told him, you will lose it. Or lose it. And I'm still telling you again that no matter what they do, they must go to that compulsory political retirement without pension and gratuity. It is a must. It is a must. They must go compulsorily. Please share this video and invite your friends. This time, let us use our social media handle to continue to punish them with the truth. Now, who are the group of persons angry with this governor again? I want to quickly tell you all, forget the pretense. Obaseki contested elections against evil institutions in the states. Obaseki contested elections against some selected people who don't want good thing for Edo. It was like President Donald J. Trump elections in the first place, where corporations refused him to be the president. But the American people elected him. Today, in Edo State, virtually all those in the aim of affair refuse Governor Godwin Obaseki. Forget the pretense of after election Mayako Kowe story na lie, they no want am. But the masses say nobody have the right to control our votes. No one man, no woman have the capacity whatsoever to say he or she single-handedly brought Obaseki into power. As far as the second term is concerned, the second term of Obaseki was one, ordained by God, and secondly, ordained by the good people of Edo State. Many people don't know the reason why Apara, sometime on the 12th of June 2020, when I say, Oga carry ticket, go. Me, I don't already see him 3 weeks before that time. Say, see what will happen. I just dey wait. Make it happen first. Make I follow. That was why I was sounding it as a warning. I said, if somebody dey travel go America, the aeroplane wey you wan follow no matter. Some might follow Turkish Air, some might follow British Air, some might follow American Air, Saudi Arabia Air. The question now is, at the end of the day, you find yourself in America. So nobody cares about the template. But nobody know wetin, many people don't know wetin I mean as a day. I just still talk am again. Say, if you prevent somebody from entering a house through the door and they want to meet you for the parlor, some people might follow the door, some people follow window. The end result be say make everybody dey inside. Many people no understand wetin we dey talk as a day. When they deny am the ticket, I laugh. This is why they talk so. Many men morale don't go down. Say, oh, and I laugh. For game of politics, you must not be old man before you get sense. So people they say, wetin old man no see, wetin small pikin no see when he sit down for ground, when he climb on top of tree. Old man fit see am when he sit down on ground. That one na way back. E no dey in existence again. As at now, some children sef get sense pass elder, because if you show person like Oshiomhole get sense, if you calculate well before he go engage himself in this monkey water of dirty politics. If by this kind of time he supposed to dey hide, dey enjoy, dey eat the money wey he steal from Edo, but yet he wan use the money take alter the destiny of generations yet unborn. The time wey Oshiomhole dey tough for NSC, na analog state we be. Nobody dey fit know wetin he dey do in secret. Na only when he come television come talk to us, now we go say, oh show baba, oh show baba. But now if you dey do one kind thing wey not correct, somebody fit dey record you somehow, you no go know. Before you dey hear this thing don go viral for social media. Now people will call you say, anyway what we are, well, maybe a picture of our Facebook. Maybe no, we are no longer in the analog age, we are in a digital world. So that idea na abstract philosophical reasoning. This time we must stand collectively to build a sustainable Edo. I always re-echo these things, and I want to state it categorically clear. I am not saying that Usaku Onwukwudi is perfect. I am not saying that Usaku Onwukwudi is better than them. But I am calling on them to desist from their old way and begin to look for a way to build a prosperous Edo for not ourselves alone, but for generation yet unborn. We not send anybody. This time, talk am as e be. You know, the very day when they call results, NTA correspondence, give me water. NTA correspondence, this is a Yamus compound. They say make they ask how far you see the election. He say I cannot talk for it. They say you know if you talk now. When we picture the compound, no single person. Now then we know say losers have no friends. Many people, both wey fight against the governor, don come out today. They say, hey, Togba o, when we know say outrightly this set of people fought against the progress of Edo. The likes of Nowamagbe, as we speak, is shame. It's a shame now. I cannot call him Nowamagbe. His name is Nowagbe. It's a shame. Ekwemwe, he did the same thing during Lucky Benedict regime. He carried canoe. He go to drive for Gorotina, and we wear am. All in a bid to collect money. Bogri. It is said of Obaseki na person wey be say he dey spend money poor. Now he go say Oleguda Osho, Oleguda Osho Akpo. If say he sing the song finish, Obaseki no give him 1 naira. Obaseki said, "Oh, thank you very much for fighting for Edo people. Thank you." Let's say, now that give me one chop. We never can move get to a book, Mamume. Never go me to someone. Now we work with Niso. Obaseki and Osho Molena in an ATM machine on a Mugo on a Mune. As of today, ask Nowamagbe whether the amount of money where they give and whether it's complete. Ask him. So we must go to echo on that sanction. Make sure say none of una progressive Edos carry these people for any of their function again. Let us start to punish all these people with the little power we will get. The power of the people surpasses the power of some selected few. Adamu no leguda. It is say when he go do like this finish, he do like this. Obaseki say take money. Obaseki. If nobody works in government where they get extra money, you receive your salary and work for it. Now make you see those disgruntled elements they resign. They were looking for government when the be say when he come, he go give them everything where they defend or they chop. Even if they repair road, they pay salary, they not pay. There is what not concern them. For as long as when they drive they come their area, people will gather for the both side of the road. They shout, "He's a mama, he's a child, he's a general leader there." You go see from when they go roll down, he go throw 15,000. All of those cigarette Russia go wound, go tear head. Your head nose go cut. You collect 1,000. You go use 300 naira. They will collect 8 years for chemists. Now that one they be the fine. All of them they resign. Edo people, we pasted the names of those who resign. One person named that group wey no resign, wey they carry the waka, the pace follow them too. His name na Louis, also known as School Breeze. He no resign o, but he get that list. So anybody wey get that list, remove that name. He no dey. They be the fat and we go Narigedo. All of them don shame. Very soon, we go do watchdog for this government. Watchdog. We don first talk am from the beginning. Is winner take it all. No forgiveness. Say no. They must remain as a normal citizen. In fact, by now, we need to go back again and pep. We will share for the men they work for road. Keke na pep, where they will take the work for road. Nobody is too big. It's not anybody's right to be in government. Government is designed for the people and not for some selected few. So if we just can say, "Oh, Yabore, I'm your name, Iriabe, Yabore, Ya bomeo. I'm your man name Iriabe. Ya bomeo. If you sing that kind of song, now you saka. We not go listen. We first to come before say, you no go fit drive me away from my papa house. You no go fit drive me away from my father's land. You no go fit give me command to die. Leave us alone. My brother, I am not talking as Osakwunokwudi. I am talking by the mandate given to me by those in the diaspora. Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. Now back of camera, now make a show like this. Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. They say make we not give the chance, and we no give them that chance. All I needed is my NB 247 to subscribe my smile, to subscribe myself. I do not need to stand at Ring Road to punish them. I will punish them right from anywhere I am sitting. The technology is available to all of us. There is something that makes us come into your government, Obaseki. There is something that makes us come into your government, Obaseki. My helper, oh, your helper. His helper, oh, our helper. There is something that makes us come into your government, Obaseki. There is something that makes us come into your government, Obaseki. This is the time to speak the truth. And not better past them. Out of the category of people who benefited from the old order, I cannot tell you say I not benefit from the old order. But when the new order comes in to better the life of the people, make we change. Me, I don't graduate way back. I not get official say I want to work for Ministry of this. Today I do certificate of occupancy for people. It's an indirect job created by the Obaseki administration. In fact, somebody that works in any of this ministry cannot receive more than me at the end of every month. Cannot happen. All I need to do is just to do like 4 CFO in a month. I'm okay. Just 4 CFO in a month. I'm okay. Please share this video. 338 persons are watching me live. If you click on the shares, this video will go viral. Let us prepare them. Let us prepare them. Let us prepare them. Let's prepare them with the truth. Obaseki na big man who no know am call small boy. Obaseki na big man who no know am call small boy. A matter na big man who no know am call small boy. A matter na big man who no know am call small boy. Megi seti gbomi jeve no vive. Oh, Jaja Sivye Woma, oh. Megi seti gbomi jeve ne rome, oh, Jaja Sivye Woma, oh. This is the time to say the truth and nothing but the truth. It is also true that there are people who actually worked for the elections of Obaseki in the first term, but they were expecting financial gratification, honorarium. I fell into that category. I fell into that category. I was expecting stomach infrastructure, honorarium. My pocket load it for me, and one was going to go in and made a loader for me. I was part of it. I cannot come here to demystify them without coming to tell you the truth that I did as well. Mariano, we were expecting the governor to share the money for us. We expected it. But in this case, while we were fighting for this, we not still win our own household. Our house, they say we not go. Then they fight us, John. Say, we no man. We walk. Even my own household fought me. I look and say no. That's why we want to continue. I need to have a rethink. While I was fighting for stomach infrastructure, 60% of people where they hate me today, where they praise me today, they like me in person, but they were fighting me because they know I was not fighting for the interest of Edo. I was fighting for my own personal interest. But as of today, those same people who fought me are now saying, comrade. Some of them, they make comments, they say, comrade, you know, so we fight you at that time, but thank you for having a rethink. It is better to work with the majority and do what is right than satisfy your selfish interest. If only you reach for your street and everybody where they poor, you are already living living under insecurity. You cannot be safe. As of today, the kind gesture, the goodwill of Edo people around the world coming to me is overwhelming. It's overwhelming. It's overwhelming. In fact, sometimes I go just sit down and say, Osawe say, because many friends prevailed on me. They're not greedy. So I'm going to know. We know you to be a fighter. You must fight for what is right. You must fight for what is right. So while looking for stomach infrastructure, fight for what is right. But as of today, Edo is not just only becoming a better place. Osakwenokwodi is now associated with the betterment of Edo State. Somebody sing one song today. Na musician. He sing the song. He not tell me say he wan sing. As the song fall out, I receive am for WhatsApp. Somebody say sing one song. The person they use Osakwenokwodi name till they sing. If to say I collected money from these elements, I no go even fit pay for them to use my name to sing for music. But I did not give anybody a dime. Goodwill gave me the opportunity to be there. Why I say if you do not know why you do not see, why I say Ikmomugwa, why I say. I won't deceive you. Your encouragement, they give us the morale to remain in this fight. Anybody will tell you, say, because election don't end, say fight don't finish, it they waste the time. Manam wegbe, imayari boy yekobaseki, imahom boy ikega, in Jesus' name. Imahiachom vio boy ikega. Obaseki na project when it be say e no dey make noise. In the past, common approval of projects, NTA, EBS, BBC, AIT, Radio Nigeria, all the stations go dey carry am. Oshiomhole approve a road, Oshiomhole approve a road, Oshiomhole approve a road. But under the tutelage of the Obaseki administration, the man no dey sing with wetin he do. It is visible to the blind and audible to the deaf. Some of una no know how my mind dey sweet me here. Una no know. I know wetin I dey talk. I have benefited more than what Obaseki nor Ize-Iyamu nor even Oshiomhole can give to me. I have benefited more than it. I am glad to be associated with Edo people. Some people, they look me, they know, they say this small boy. A friend of mine, wey say na my friend, wrote on Facebook. He said, look at this one wey never travel go Lagos. Say na coordinator general Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. I laugh. But he himself shock. All the Edos around the world, no one don ever come and come counter and say he is not my coordinator. Ask yourself a simple question. Am I the biggest man in Edo? Am I the oldest man in Edo? Am I the most intelligent in Edo? Am I the richest man in Edo? How come I was given this opportunity to serve in this capacity? Nothing. Na goodwill. Na good will. No be say I qualify. No be say I too capable. No be say na overstable I stable. Na grace. Na make people worldwide say Osakwinokodi carry on. I dey tell you say I am a coordinator general to professionals, investors. No need for noise. You will see things materializing in these 4 years of the Obaseki administration. No need for noise. They say, Rona, Omaye Webu there, Omaye say Lagos, Owinyo coordinator general Edo Diaspora. They laughed Osakwinokodi, but I kept mute. We no need to counter. We no need to fight. The manifestation will show if it is real or not. There is no time for embellishment. But one thing I will continue to do is this. In fact, before I continue, I have to openly tender unreserved apology to Edo people worldwide for my past activities in the politics of Edo State. Forgive me for fighting for stomach infrastructure, because this time I am not fighting for stomach infrastructure, but I have benefited more in terms of stomach infrastructure from Edo people when compared to when I was even fighting to get it. I do not need a dime from the Obaseki administration. The dime is already available. I am absolutely very glad Edo people worldwide, Omagi Made. Before the elections, people don't know why I carried this election for head. I did not go and look for Obaseki. I don't look for her. Now, live video for the talk, so ask her. We're in a campaign train. As I analyze my live video with her, now you work come with me, say, you know Osakwena Okwodi? I say, yes, Your Excellency, I'm Osakwena Okwodi. The video is there. The man believes in intelligence. And the time when me they had my own intelligence, they say, give me money, give me money, give me money. He said, if you like shout for nothing next year, now you won't be that. But who come stomach infrastructure? We bring in waiting with Sabi. The governor walk up to me and say, as you not to Osakwena Okwodi? So, good name is better than riches. Good name is better than riches. All these people wey they see so, if they pain them, they don't already know say they don't fail. They know say they don't fail. When they watch us, they talk the truth. It dey pain them. It dey pain them. It dey pain them. It dey pain them. When they watch us, they speak the truth. It dey pain them. It dey pain them. See, this is a message to Edo people worldwide. If you wait, make them build Edo for you, Edo will fail. Come and support Obaseki to succeed. If nothing tomatoes production, your hand reach as a diaspora, come and establish it here. May your business thrive. The more employment they come, the more revenue they grow. Let us not leave it for the governor alone for these 4 years. Support does not end in elections alone. Come out and bring in your quota towards the development of Edo State. I have given myself a new job. As far as this administration is concerned, do you know the job? I will be here to pepper them with the truth. I will be here to continue to pepper them with the truth. Today I saw about Obaze, the boss of the crack team. A writer come out. He said, poor official should carry out their activities without intimidating any market women or men. They should stop they should enforce the stoppage on street trading without prosecuting anybody. Enforce it legally. That we are watching. It is true. We are watching. We will never allow anybody to destroy the hard-earned reputation of this government. We will never allow anybody, because of their selfish interests, to betray the collective resolve of all Edo people. We will be a watchdog and will do what is right to ensure that Edo becomes a better place. I want to round up, and in conclusion, I want to officially say a very big thank you. In fact, as the election they go on, I received one call for feed. when they don already dey write for Facebook say, oh, hello, where is Comrade Stanley? Our market. Where's my our market? I hear they laugh them. They don't know say that they lose. You never count result. You just say you dey win. They say if the young win first, they'll first bring down Sarkodie Holding. Now I tell them say, if you know the meaning of Sarkodie Holding, you for not worry yourself. If you know the meaning of Sarkodie Holding, you no bother to worry yourself because you can't succeed. But now that they fit come out online now because shame greet them. So they say very soon Edo will be Lagos. Very soon Obaseki will be unbodylized. Now we tell them say, come. I get them before not be your property. You first sabi do one, not me say you sabi do one now. We will teach you this game this time. He said, guy, now how about you dey bully before? How come you join them? Because them don't alert your account. You see average, sorry, not be average. You see some Edo people, everything about them. Now money, 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 money. Now, I want to quickly tell him something. For those who watch us on a video, the issue I was having with Abat, let me say it today, was because of Dion Usagi. I was closer to Abat than Dion. But I told you, or me, not the like intimidation. Misinterpreted Abat from the initial stage. But at the end of the day, Dion self fought me with defender. He fought me. Now, Mo will go back to the account. He said they don't alert my account. It is truth that Edo people around the world are alerting my account. I will not deny it. It is true. It is receive a dime from Edo people to do anything apart from what I have done. Edo people will say, oh, comrade, thank you. Oh, you did, comrade. It is normal. I will not be the kind of person wey not the fit talk wetin they do. Sorry, the network is a little bit bad. So as I was saying, as far as I'm concerned, I cannot be influenced. I cannot come here to deceive you. We'll say it as it is. We will fight them to the end. These are selected selfish people that want to take an advantage of the state resources. I have never called on any of the people and say, hello, mommy, with my wife banana. I don't do that. I can't do it. I have my principle. But I cannot be here to say, I cannot hide it now to say they never call regard me. Now lie you. If you want cry, make you cry. In fact, the latest drive when they use to they move so na do diaspora na buy am. If you want cry, the cry na they buy am. So Sarkodie Holding, use that to they move for town. Make them know say you be our coordinator. You dey pain them, make them cry. The idea na the runner imade na the runner cash. Now we move on in that town. Let me tell you something. Before you say you want get anything, you want to talk about people like we go pay ourselves talking. we not get anything with the heart. If you wan follow corrupt way, I for accept there is a yamu money. The text message is still here. May I show you? I not delete the text. It's still here. Let me show you. For those who can read, I want to show you the text. Now the sender come. Everybody know the number. Let me first read the number for you first. I just on this phone now. Somebody say they pain them. Make it a pain them. If you think it is easy, go and fight for what is right. While I was fighting for stomach infrastructure, I not see these goodies. When I say me no want stomach infrastructure, I want to do what is right. Now they will say, you see that stomach? You be like when King Solomon meet God say, what do you want me to give to you? King Solomon say, I be not be Solomon, yeah. He said, God, I beg, I need wisdom to rule over these people. God said, that wisdom you will get, now you add money, now. Now the matter to Obu. Now the situation we did now. I say, I no longer want stomach infrastructure. I want the way Edo will be better. Edo people say, for you to say you want the way Edo will be better, that stomach infrastructure, take. Now they tell me not to fight for her. Irish man, when me they fight for her, Imamio. Now this is the text message. The number is +234 810 35 46 557. For those who don't, you must not receive this call if you dare do. Now look. I don't know if you can see it. Someone, I'm not the technologically driven type. Someone should assist me with how I go fit transfer the text message from here to Facebook. I'll post them. But let me read. How much, for those who don't follow this test, listen to what I want to read now, whether it's different from what I read before. How much will it cost to get your political support, sir? Question mark. Name a price. POI stand a better chance than all other aspirants. We will be glad to work with you. For those who first read here when I read this text message, wait till I read so it change. So money not be everything. If you wait me Obaseki give you money, you waste your time. But Obaseki will fix your economy and tie your roots. Thank you very much for listening to me. I think I've been able to set the matter straight and answer that boy. So when you ask questions just now say they don't alert your account, I have been able to distinguish it. Yes, my account has been alerted, but certainly not from government. It's as a result of the goodwill of Edo people worldwide. I remind my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Osaze Osakwunokwudi. Not worry yourself, we not go allow them take over Edo. Obaseki flog am where oh show too stubborn. Obaseki flog am where oh show too stubborn. Obaseki flog them where is a move too stubborn. Obaseki flog them where is a move too stubborn. The truth be say, the governor don already call say he want all of them to come together make we build a better Edo. It is truth. But once they wan come build that better Edo, make dem comot out for Edo money because they wan you collect ₦1. We go you cash them. We go you start to the naya. We use their name to sing. We go use their name to sing. One thing I will only swear to Edo people today is this. I did not start it today. Even while I was fighting the governor, I said I cannot say the governor did not work. I know they pretend. If they lie, if I lie, you know say that because I be human being. What I want lie to you for? I fear you. May you not come with me. I don't fear anybody. You see me, so I don't get one fear for anybody. I'm not even afraid of Obaseki, who is the governor of Edo State. I'm not afraid of anybody. I respect people. So if you think I don't, so I'm not going to know. Ask him, say, you know me. I am not afraid of anybody. I must tell you the truth. So I not come here to deceive you. Say, no. I have received the goodwill from Edo people. Obaseki, not the share money. Ask your family member. We know. Go and ask. For Obaseki to share money, he will give you progressive development. Now this little I get to tell us this evening. Now me and my brother, not forget to share this video. I become Stanley Osaze-Osakwonokwodim, and I say good night. In fact, I say once say good night, never take light. I bet me on the joint. Thank you. And a big bye for now.
Now when you don't hear from Stanley Osaze-Osakwonokwodim, let us know what you think. Concerning everything wey you don put mouth today for this video, go to comment section, make you put your own for there. And make you also help us share this video to friends and family before you go. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, abeg try make you subscribe. Anytime I upload new video, if you be my subscriber, you go be the first person to see am. So make I leave you now, make you help us share this video. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.